felt so bad. Oh, it was rough.
Last year I tried to grow peas for the first time. At first it looked great. I had the trellis that I made with my fence and it was awesome. And then they died.
Something about, you know, plants liking water. This year I'm determined to correct my wrong and to make sure the peas grow. I went ahead and did the trellis, and same as I did before, don't know what it was, something startled me and I tipped over the bucket, ended up with a giant knot. Got that untangled, may have hit a window while I was throwing the string. I wanted to use an olla? O-L-L-A. I don't know how to pronounce that. If you guys know how to pronounce that, let me know what it is. I was looking online, they're really expensive. I found out a way to maybe make my own DIY version, and this is what I ended up coming up with. Just a flower pot, a lid, and something to seal a hole. So the idea is that terracotta is extremely porous. You fill the water up to the top of your vessel, cover it so critters and things don't get into it, and over time it's going to leach the water slowly into the soil, and the plants, if you plant it near it, then will use that water for, you know, nourishment and things. I hope they work out, poor little peas. Let me know if you guys use something like this or you do something else to help your plants stay alive aside from watering, or maybe you're just good and you just water stuff like you're supposed to. I don't know. But yeah, if you have any other suggestions for me, that'd be great because I need help. Anyways, thanks guys. One fun tip, if you do make these, make sure that you test the water doesn't, like the hole is sealed. I was doing a shot for my other video to see, to show, like, you know, make sure it's sealed. And then I'm like, I pour the water and it just comes like straight all over me. Yeah, anywho.